This is on YouTube, and we're just gonna take a walk. I got this in case anything attacks us. And also, oh, that's my dad right there pointing the gun at him.
Boom.
And if you flip the if you flip the camera, go on, flip the camera. All right, let's go. Let's go for a walk. We're mostly just gonna show you around. It's where we used to wood all the time. Right, Mommy?
Right. It's almost gone now, huh?
I don't know why that line could be in there. And there's where some tires are. When me and my dad burned some tires, actually. They mostly exploded. Alright, so, like over there though, was where I dumped the trash out. That's the cool wood. But this might give you just for skill. Just for what it is. Now, which way should we go? Should we go that way? That way? What do you think? What do you think, Mommy?
Either way you want to go. Which way do you think the viewers will like?
Probably here. If you're watching this, you're back. We're just going near the door. We're just going up the back of the garage. That's it. You could probably use that piece of wood for a sign. Come over here. Probably be for a sign. When I watch this, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Die! Probably come over here. Well, that's one of the big things, actually. That kind of looks like a Henderson monster. What's his name? Oh, the bird monster.
What do you think's on that tree?
I have no idea, bird's nest.
Bird poop, you think? Are you?
Bird's nest. I don't want to get demonetized.
Maybe.
Oh, I almost got
Maybe.
thorns.
Maybe Uncle Amos will comment on it, what it is.
I almost got thorns. You're not looking there, probably. Oh, I forgot about this, actually. Alright, so Dad, tell me what you use this for.
Not mine, bud.
What?
It's not mine.
Oh.
What does it look like?
Oh, there's actually come look. What is that, like a fire thing?
Looks like a stove.
So someone's been living here.
You think so?
Yeah. I also see.
The mystery man in the woods?
No, footprint.
I see something else.
No fresh tracks to it.
I think this is where the what is or maybe that's his first birthday. As you can see, we've already seen some turkey packs right here.
Oh yeah, look.
Some turkey packs. Well, we're not going to follow that. So I wonder if the Mystery Man did this. Actually, it looks actually like to floor with wood.
What's floor?
Like put down these pieces of wood to make a floor. That's what I would do. One time me, Tyler, Jake, and Cole tried to build a stick house.
You did? Up at Aunt Allie's?
You can't see them in those, okay?
What kind of tracks are these?
Probably.
Right here. What kind of tracks are these?
Those look like bear tracks a little bit.
I think so.
Yeah. A little bit.
Look like dog tracks to me.
How do it look like this?
You think the dogs are down
That
here?
is weird.
What's weird?
That right there, that vine. Why does that look so odd?
Suspicious.
All right, so let's just keep looking. Probably with
Oh, we've come to a crossroad.
I guess we do that. Go over here. Wait a minute. There's some deer tracks.
Oh, there's deer poop.
Here's the deer track. Kind of hard to see. Dad, you're in the way.
Let's see. Let's go to the next one.
Oh my goodness. Looks like there's been a lot of deer here.
There's some turkey tracks right here too.
If you haven't watched my
look.
second video where I do a face reveal, go check it out.
What's that, Keegan?
Oh, come on. That looks like bear poop.
That's deer poop. Ew.
Take that. That's deer poop. Is there a house over there? Ah! Alright, so this is probably where me and my dad crashed before we were.
You did what? Tell the viewers what happened.
So like me and my dad were going on a four-wheeler and probably over there we crashed. But good thing I was off. My dad told me to get off. I was like so worried. I was like, oh my God, Daddy, are you okay? You just made that name up on me, right? The Mystery Man.
Mystery Man of the Woods.
The Mystery Man and
Coyote. That was kind of what I was thinking. They're pretty far apart for our dogs.
Look how far away we are from the house.
Keegan, do you know what a coyote is?
It's something like a wolf.
Or kind of like a wolf and like what?
A cat.
A dog.
I am bad. I am bad mind.
Ask your dad what a coyote sounds like.
What does a coyote sound like? Dad? I wouldn't do. Oh,
Ooh.
some more.
What's
At first
that?
I
More
thought-
turkey tracks. Looks like turkey poop.
You know how turkey poop. More and more and more. Turkeys came from all the way over there.
Yep.
Alright, we're probably gonna have to call that number because this video is probably gonna be too long. But me, my mom, and my dad promised we would go over and walk in the woods.
You want to tell the viewers something?
Like what?
Did you want to stop the video?
No.
Okay.
But can I tell them something like there's a $20 bill in your phone case?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good thing they won't come find me, huh?
Yeah.
That's emergency money.
What are you gonna buy? I don't got money.
It's like if I leave my wallet in your dad's truck and he takes his truck to work.
I also I got binoculars in my chest. I don't want to carry them. Oh, we can just to the Harry Bros Club. So we made a club called the Harry Bros Club. And there's a fourth. It's where there's some bros and they're hairy. And my mom's part of the girl gang.
The girl gang.
Yeah, with Chloe.
My other girl gang, we gotta get her back up here, huh?
Yeah, we haven't seen the girl gang yet in a long time. Looks like ants over there. So, we're probably a little bit close to where the Harry Bros School is. We're actually getting closer and closer with every step we make. So for now, it's probably not that far. Yeah.
Careful.
Until we got some freezing, some ice cold snow. Wait. Good thing I wore my snow pants. What's you trip in case it was all going to be wet on you, Daddy? And this is also the second time. Ew.
Yeah, we'll make a part 2. Tell the viewers.
Alright, so, like after this video is done uploading, we're going to make a part 2. So, peace out. Stop.